Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Mercy Suarez, Cant, Dance. 7th grade is going to be a real trial for Mercy Suarez. For science, she's got no-nonsense Mr. Ellis, who expects her to be as smart as her brother. She's been assigned to co-manage the tiny school store with Wilson, a boy she barely knows, but whom she might actually like. And she's tangling again with classmate Edna, who is bossier and more obnoxious than ever now that she's in charge of the annual Heart Ball. One thing's for sure, though, Mercy Suarez can't dance. Not at the Heart Ball or anywhere else. Dancing makes her almost as queasy as love does, especially now that her dance teacher aunt has a new man in her life. Unfortunately, Mercy can't seem to avoid love or dance for very long. She used to talk about everything with her grandfather, but with his Alzheimer's getting worse each day, whom can she trust to help her make sense of all the new things happening in her life? Mercy takes on 7th grade with all its travails of friendship, family love, and finding your rhythm. I highly recommend this book if you're looking for a combination of funny, serious, and middle school mayhem. The next book is Strike Zone. 12-year-old star Little League pitcher Nick Garcia has a dream. Several, in fact. He dreams he'll win this season's MVP and the chance to throw out the first pitch at Yankee Stadium. He dreams he'll meet his hero, Yankees pitcher Michael Arroyo. He dreams they'll find a cure for lupus so his sister won't have to suffer. But mostly, he dreams one day his family can stop living in fear of the government. For one kid, it's almost too much to bear. Luckily, Nick has his 2 best friends, Ben and Diego, to keep him balanced. But when Nick notices a mysterious man lurking on his street corner, he senses a threat. Suddenly, his worst fears are realized, and just when it seems there's no one they can trust, an unexpected hero emerges and changes everything. This is one thrilling and fast-paced story, exceptional for those of you interested in lively sports action and rooting for the main character on and off the field. It's one of our young Hoosier books for this year. The last book I'm going to tell you about is Before the Ever After. For as long as ZJ can remember, his dad has been everyone's hero. As a charming, talented pro football star, he's as loved by the neighborhood kids as he is to his millions of adoring sports fans. But lately, life at ZJ's house is anything but charming. His dad is having trouble remembering things and seems to be angry all the time. ZJ's mom explains it's because of all the head injuries his dad sustained during his career. ZJ can understand that, but it doesn't make the sting any less real when his own father forgets his name. As ZJ contemplates his new reality, he has to figure out how to hold on tight to family traditions and recollections of the glory days, all the while wondering what their past amounts to if his father can't remember it. And most importantly, can those happy feelings ever be reclaimed when they're all so busy aching for the past? This book is written by one phenomenal author who has won countless awards, and this book is actually on next year's Young Hoosier list. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day!